Welcome to Autolab, your trusted source for all things automotive. Today, we're diving into the world of three-wheelers as we explore the 2025 Mahindra Alfa Comfy Autorickshaw. Designed for comfort, efficiency, and reliability, this model stands out as a top choice for both drivers and passengers in the autorickshaw segment. The Mahindra Alfa Comfy has always been known for its sturdy build and practical design, and the 2025 model takes it a step further. The vehicle boasts a refined exterior with a robust frame that can handle the toughest roads while still maintaining a sleek and modern look. With vibrant color options and stylish decals, it's a rickshaw that makes a statement on the streets. Inside, the Alfa Comfy lives up to its name. The cabin is spacious and designed to provide maximum comfort for passengers, with improved seat cushioning and ergonomic seating arrangements. The driver's seat is equally well thought out, ensuring long hours behind the wheel are as comfortable as possible. The wide entry points and optimized legroom make boarding and alighting a breeze, a key feature for daily commuters. Under the hood, the 2025 Alfa Comfy is powered by a fuel-efficient engine that strikes a balance between performance and mileage. The refined engine delivers smooth acceleration and ensures minimal vibrations, which translates to a quieter and more pleasant ride. This autorickshaw is built for reliability, ensuring fewer maintenance headaches and lower running costs. Safety is another area where the Mahindra Alfa Comfy shines. The enhanced braking system, durable tires, and improved suspension provide excellent stability, even on uneven roads. The vehicle also includes a weather-resistant roof and side covers, ensuring passengers stay protected in all conditions. Mahindra has also incorporated modern technology to enhance the overall experience. Features like a digital meter, phone charging ports, and LED lighting add convenience and functionality, making the Alfa Comfy a leader in its class. Affordability is a major factor for autorickshaw buyers, and the 2025 Mahindra Alfa Comfy is competitively priced to ensure great value for money. With its low maintenance costs and fuel efficiency, this rickshaw offers an excellent return on investment for operators. The 2025 Mahindra Alfa Comfy is not just a vehicle, it's a trusted partner for drivers and a comfortable ride for passengers. If you're looking for a reliable, stylish, and efficient autorickshaw that meets modern needs, this model is definitely worth considering. Thank you for tuning into Autolab. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest in the automotive world. See you in the next video.